Hey guys, I wanted to show you guys my aquaponics system. I live in a condo and I've been wanting to have an indoor garden, and I've finally decided, after looking at different systems, I finally decided on an aquaponics system. And just so you guys know, before I got into this project, I didn't really know much about aquaponics, or actually didn't know anything about aquaponics. I didn't know anything about fish tanks and how to maintain a fish tank, and I didn't know much about gardening either. So if I did something wrong here, please feel free to comment below, or if you guys have any suggestions or anything like that, I would love to hear it from you guys. Anyway, here it is, guys. So you'll see everything here that I've built. And again, when I started this and I was looking for a kit, and I couldn't really find something that fits the size and the look and the price point that I wanted, to be frank, of an aquaponic system this size. So I decided to build one. And so I'll start out by showing you guys all the outlet that I've attached to the side of the cabinet system here. And you will see that I have my timers there as well. It's a little bit messy, but it's kind of hidden from view, right? And I might still build something here to box that up and hide it further, but for now, that is pretty much okay, I guess, from my perspective right now. So going through this, you'll see that I have my sprouting area here, my sprouting bed, and I've built sort of like just this cover, and it's just held up by magnets that you see on the side there. But anyway, you'll see the sprouting bed here sitting down here, and it's sitting on a heating mat here, right? And basically, this is where I plan to plant the seeds, and when they start sprouting, I have string LED lights here that I attached, and it's hooked up to a timer so that the sprouts will get the light that they need once they start sprouting. Anyway, so turn that off for now because I don't have anything in there. And obviously once they sprout, I'm gonna move that to my grow bed. So here's my fish tank, guys, and my fish tank is still cycling here. So it's a very new system at this point, and I have some plumbing here that you'll see in the back here, and basically you'll see here's the pipe going up into my grow bed, and that's attached to my pump, and then you'll see I put a control valve here so I can control the amount of water that my pump pumps into my grow bed, and that's been working out really well. And then that's the return basically back into my aquarium from the grow bed. And you can't see all the wires and piping back there because I painted the back of my aquarium pretty much the same color as I have my wall back there, so that it's hidden from view and it's not as sort of like obvious, right? So anyway, going up into my grow bed, you'll see that I bought a bin here from one of the home improvement big box stores, and and it's a perfect color and size that I wanted for my system. And you'll see that the pipe that I have pumping water in is pumping it into this plant what do you call this, plant netting cup. And I have a filter in there that catches solids, and you'll see that I have it covered with aluminum foil for now, just to prevent algae from building up. And I threw some radish seeds into my grow bed just to see, when I started this system, just to see if anything would grow. And they seem to be doing okay. I'll see what it looks like after they're fully grown and see if they're the type that I can eat or not. I'm hoping it can. And you'll see my belt siphon here that I have. And again, you'll see the cover here. It's just sitting here on top. It's not really screwed on, but really it's just to prevent algae from building up there. And my grow lights, I bought a couple here and attached it to the ceiling of my cabinet system here. And the reason why I bought two is because if I decide to grow one side that is a taller type of plant versus some herbs and whatnot, I can control, the height of one side, and I can grow smaller herbs on one side and then maybe like lettuce, taller lettuce, or even tomatoes on the other side. And so I have those on chains so that I can again control the height of the lights here. And so just last thing I wanted to show you is I just bought a couple of storage bins on top, and that would hide some of the cleaning, aquarium cleaning stuff and water test kit that, and some of the filters, additional filters that I need, some of the seeds, like the lettuce seeds and stuff that I haven't planted yet. And again, I have something here that it's probably not good to display out anyway, so I have those storage bins to hide them a little bit. And then you'll see the Roman shades that I built here. It's a DIY Roman shades. And I just used a cheap vinyl shade that I bought from Walmart for $4, attached some fabric on it, and then it's working really well, actually, and it looks pretty nice in my opinion. So anyway, this whole system, guys, cost me about $650. It's not cheap, I will say, but that is with everything, like wood, nails, screws, pipes, all the materials that you see, everything that's in those storage bins, including the cleaning materials and water test kits, and again, everything that you see in here, including the timers and even this outlets here, all cost me about $650, which again, not cheap, but I think it's reasonable given everything that I got here. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please post them below and hit like. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have any questions again, and like I said, be kind. I didn't know anything about this system, planting or gardening and fish tanks. So if there's anything that you guys suggest or anything, I'd like to hear it as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.